Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Kenwood DMX1058XR Epsilon reference 10.1-inch digital multimedia receiver. A high-end upgrade designed to bring modern technology and connectivity to your vehicle's entertainment system. This unit features a 10.1-inch high-definition capacitive touch panel, giving you vibrant colors and crisp visuals for a truly immersive experience. The floating panel mechanism is a standout design, offering four-way position adjustment, so you can customize the screen placement to suit your dashboard and driving comfort. Connectivity is where the DMX really shines. It supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, including wireless options, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone for navigation, messaging, and streaming music. For audiophiles, this receiver also supports high-resolution audio, ensuring every song sounds rich and detailed. Wireless mirroring lets you project your smartphone screen directly onto the monitor, making it easier to access apps and media without fumbling with your phone. When it comes to inputs and compatibility, the Kenwood DMX1058XR doesn't disappoint. It includes HDMI, USB, and a 3.5mm audio jack, making it compatible with head units, smartphones, and other media devices. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can stream music directly or make hands-free calls with ease. The receiver also integrates with streaming services, providing a versatile entertainment hub for your vehicle. Physically, the unit measures 15.25 by 10.25 by 7.5 inches and weighs around 10 pounds. Despite being a renewed model, it comes fully tested and refurbished to meet Kenwood's high standards, offering an affordable way to upgrade your car stereo system without compromising on quality. It's perfect for anyone looking to modernize an older vehicle, bringing it up to speed with the latest in car technology. Overall, the Kenwood Epsilon reference offers premium features like a large HD touchscreen, versatile connectivity, high-resolution audio, and customizable installation options, all in a sleek, professional design. Whether you're upgrading your daily driver or an RV, this receiver transforms your driving experience with both entertainment and convenience. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed multimedia receiver, the Kenwood is definitely worth a closer look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and tech insights.